We're 90 seconds beyond the promised 3 minutes. Bristol City have done it. The biggest shock of this season's Carabao Cup. Mourinho's Manchester United beaten at Ashton Gate. And Championship side Bristol City are through to just their third ever League Cup semi-final. A good-natured pitch invasion. Corey Smith, the match winner, with a goal in the 93rd minute to knock the holders out. Gary Johnson, former manager here and father of the current manager, watches down proudly, and Bristol City celebrates a night that will go down in their annals, in their history, with the promise of 2 more big occasions to come at the very least, with a 2-legged semi-final next month. They took the lead first early in the second half through Joe Bryan. It was short-lived. Zlatan Ibrahimovic levelled matters up. Manchester United pressed strongly, looked the more likely of the two sides to win. But a dramatic denouement, and Corey Smith swiveling to score a goal that he and the 26,000 plus here tonight will always remember. Bristol City go through, the holders crash out on a famous night at Ashton Gate. It's finished Bristol City 2, Manchester United 1.